Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason Lancaster back again, guys. I know it's been a little bit, but I'm back. Okay. We've had a lot of restructuring, a lot of stuff going on. So I just kind of today, what I want to do for you is kind of show you how I've grown with Power Lead System. And it's been my backbone. It's one thing that's is one of the most consistent programs you ever find online, guys. You know, in internet marketing, affiliate marketing, it's all about how you position certain things, guys. That's what's literally what propels your income is how you position things. It's not all the time the offer. Power lead system has been around for years, but a new person coming online, they want to get in the hottest new thing instead of the stuff that's been around. Uh, in which the truth is, it should be the opposite. You should get in something that's been around. Like literally, most of the programs I get in, it's usually something that's been around at least 2 or 3 years. Typically. Um, Two of the programs I promote has been around at least 4 years. Power lead systems have been around way longer than that, guys. I mean, it's so tried and true. It's been around for a long time. And today I want to talk to you about a little bit about my testimonial, how much I made for the week. What do you get with Power Lead System? I get that a lot. So I want to kind of talk about that a little bit. So you see here I had a $608 week. Um, really, to be honest with you guys, I've been focused on other things. However, I'm coming back to it. They've made a lot of good new changes to it. Got me really excited, and I think they've just built some new sales funnels. They've got a lot of stuff coming throughout the rest of the year, and that's what makes me really excited um, to be back. So this is going to be one of my main focuses for the rest of 2019. Um, you'll see this go. You'll start seeing this go up and up over the next 90 to 120 days. And guys, also, I want to talk to you a little bit about your options with Power Lead System, all that good stuff. So, guys, right here, when you come into the Power Lead System, you're going to get a free trial, right? You'll first see Lead Lightning, Silver Membership, and then Power Lead System Customer. You want to avoid all three of those, guys. I really only work with people that come in at the Gold Membership, and that's what's going to give you the biggest commissions to where it makes sense. Okay. And typically, what I ask is for everybody to come in at least to get the Gold membership. It's $54 a month. Okay. That's going to give you $20 commissions and a 50% match on if anybody under you gets sales. Okay. Very powerful. Okay. And then typically the sweet spot, because everybody asks me, what level should I come in at? Okay. Get the Gold membership. The reason why you want it versus the silver or PLS customer is because you're not considered an affiliate until you're at the Gold membership. Plus, you get endless free leads. You get the ability. The main thing is to get my funnels. Okay, you can't get the shareable funnels at the lower levels, and that's what's really key. If you want a successful funnel to be able to advertise, you got to come at the Gold level. Okay, and then I also ask people because I get this all the time. What's the sweet spot? Well, there's three other levels. There's the diamond course, which is free, diamond level, which is free ad secrets, a traffic co-op course. When you create your free trial, guys, you can click that play button out to the side to kind of see what each one is. And Social Profit Academy, very critical course, guys. Very good course. Free ad secrets is 147. Now these are one-time payments, so your gold membership is the only monthly payment. Okay, it's 54 a month. These courses, the three courses, free ad secrets, social profit, and then MTI down below are going to be one-time payments. Now free ad secrets is 147. That's a sweet spot. That'll get you in my group, get you started. And guys, I tell you what, and what I'm bringing to the table now is we're going to offer coaching to you for anybody that comes in at the diamond level or above. So if you want to come in and get my free coaching, you're going to have to come in at the diamond. Now, if you purchase any of the 2 higher courses, I'm going to sweeten the deal even more. Okay. Social Profit Academy, we'll probably start doing a lot of one-on-one sessions once we start getting into these higher courses that you buy, because it does 2 things. It's going to improve your skill set, show me that you're serious. Also, it's going to make me really, really want to work with you. Okay. If I know you're going to spend this much money on these courses, I know you're serious, like you're ready to leave your situation, whatever it is. And to be honest with you, if that MTI course that's below the Social Profit Academy course here, it's $14.97. But guys, you won't need much advertising money once you buy that course. Like literally, once you buy these 3 courses, everything is in these 3. Okay, you've got to buy one at a time. Okay, so you got 147, 497, and 1497. Okay, if you was to buy all, it's around 20. I believe it's 19. It's around 2,300 bucks. But we can talk about some things if you're willing to come in and buy them all at one time. I'll definitely offer some huge bonuses for you, because obviously I want you to succeed. I'm not here to just collect commissions. I mean, as affiliate marketers, yeah, we want money, guys, but at the same time, we want to see you guys succeed. We want people to succeed with us. It's a whole lot funner if you have people I said funner, okay? It's a whole lot more fun if you've got people to succeed with you, okay? And I have testimonials, pretty much anything you want to see, guys, and you get in our big Facebook group. So let me show that real quick. A very powerful Facebook group. Really want to show it to you guys. Got all types of testimonials, guys. Video testimonials. That's me, my profile picture and my cover photo. So if you need me, you can always reach out to me. Now, this is the group you'll be able to get in once you come in at least the gold membership. You'll have to answer some questions and be patient, though. They have admins that run this group. And see, we've got people succeeding all day in here, guys. Just endless leads. I mean, all time. Edward, let me let you guys know we have some awesome new free advertising sources, guys. Here's Edward. Here's a guy that got 2 golds today. Okay, unbelievable. You know, this guy just came back a few months ago, and look at the amount of golds he got 2 today. That's $40 residual right there. And not counting if any of those 2 people were to duplicate and do what he does. Okay, extremely powerful, guys. Extremely powerful. I mean, I can go on. Once you get in this group, you'll be able to see. It's just testimonial after testimonial. We've got video testimonials too. Here's Amanda, made $800. Guys, it's not just me winning. It's everybody. Okay. I mean, it's really simple. It's really simple. I try to simplify it for you guys. These systems are so powerful, guys. I have other income streams also. Okay, like just yesterday, I made $300 in another opportunity. I mean, I can't tell you how powerful and stress enough. Here's an interview. Now, when you come in this group, you're going to see interviews. Some of our top leaders, Jeff Mills, he's 8-figure earner. He's doing he does the interviews for Power Lead System. Okay, here's another one. Ace and Rich, you'll get to know them. They're on the interview. So we've got all kind of folks killing it. Shout out to Alimi. Alimi's from another country. Very, very, made over $2,500. You see? So very, very powerful, guys. You can see these people all day. I don't want to kind of get your time going too long, but I just want to talk about that. So appreciate you guys coming on. So with the Power Lead System, before I let you go, you get access to all kind of training right here, guys. Here's the free ad secret, Social Profit Academy, for endless free leads. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. You have to spend a lot. The course is what's important. People got it backwards that they got to spend thousands a week in advertising or something, guys. You don't have to do that. I've got free sources and cheap sources that cost very little money that you can use to build your business. The main thing is just being consistent. That's it. Now, the more money you spend, the less time you have to put in. You can automate a lot of things. So it's really up to you. But man, I've got people coming to me, literally, do I have to spend thousands a week and this and that? I'm like, no, I don't even want you to do that. What I want you to do is learn the warm market stuff, learn the stuff that works. So when you start getting some sales every week with that, you'll always have that as a backbone. And then you can go into Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all those high techy if you want to do that. For me, I focus mainly on YouTube, which has become my favorite, which is you're going to see this video today. YouTube is I have some secret tricks I've been learning. And every video you saw on my channel, just about I've got a sale off each video. I'm serious, guys. People will be reaching out. YouTube is so huge now. And it's becoming bigger. As you can see, if you've been on YouTube long enough, people are now posting pictures every day. It's not just videos. It's becoming a total social platform. So YouTube is becoming a focus. I can show you free ways how to keyword search, do all that stuff, guys. We also have another free source we're releasing to our group on Monday or Tuesday next week, converting like crazy. We're seeing people get anywhere from 3 to 5 golds a week with this free strategy. And it blows my mind, because I'll be honest with you guys, I used to spend a ton of money on advertising. Okay. Now I get just as good results doing just videos, Facebook, connecting with people. Just being honest with you guys. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong. YouTube ads, Facebook ads, solo advertising, they have their place. I really like, and you can run Facebook ads and YouTube ads cheap, $5-10 a day and get sales, but guys, never believe that you don't have the budget to build a business, because you can do it. Okay. It's just how bad do you want it is really all it is. And it's not like you have to spend 8 to 10 hours a day working. Okay. Working this business. You don't. It's just consistent every day. I'd rather you spend 2 to 3 hours a day focused, locked in, than 10 hours one day and then don't do nothing for 3 or 4 days. I'd rather you just be consistent on whatever time you can spend. Okay. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up. Again, my name is Jason Lancaster. Appreciate you reaching out to me. On my next video that I do on Power Lead System, I'll go into the sales funnels, show you what you get. And I showed you a little bit on the training that you get, guys. When you take your free trial, like I said, you'll be able to go in right watch these videos out here to the right, and you'll be able to see everything. And reach out to me. I'm a friendly guy. I talk to anybody, all different backgrounds, all ages, different countries. No matter if you're in the United States or where you're from, I love meeting new people. So, guys, just reach out to me if you got a question. With that being said, I'm going to end it. So, guys, take care and have a good day.